row 10. So here we go. We are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to make 2 double crochets behind this chain 3. So insert your hook into the chain 1 space, make a double crochet, and do that again. Now we are going to make a double crochet into the next 6 stitches. Insert your hook into the top of chain 3 to make the first. That's 1, 2, number 3, number 4, 5, and number 6. Now we are going to make a double crochet into the chain 1 space and a double crochet into the next stitch. And we're going to repeat this 13 times. So double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet into the next stitch. That's 1. Double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet into the next stitch. That's 2. Double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet into the next stitch. Number 3. Into the chain 1 space and the next stitch. That's number 4. In the chain 1 space and the next stitch. Number 5. In the chain 1 space, in the next stitch. 6. In the chain 1 space, in the next stitch. It's number 7. Into the chain 1 space, into the next stitch. It's number 8. Into the chain 1 space, into the next stitch. Number 8. Into the chain 1 space, into the next stitch. It's number 9. In the chain 1 space, in the next stitch. Number 10. In the chain 1 space, in the next stitch. That's 11. In the chain 1 space and into the next stitch. Number 12. I said 13, maybe I miscounted, so I'll count again. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. See, I counted 1 double. So I got 13 repeats of double crochet in the chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch. Now I'm going to make a double crochet into the next 5 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Now we've arrived at the chain 1 space of the corner. In the corner we are going to make 3 double crochets. So not 2 but 3. It's 1, 2, 3 and chain 1. Now we're going to insert our hook again and make another 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space of the corner. 2 and number 3. There we go. So this is our first row, all double crochets. On to the next. We're going to repeat, so scoop it over to get this first stitch, yarn over, double crochet into the next 6 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we're going to make 13 repeats again of a double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet into the next stitch. So here we go, double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet into the next stitch. That's 1 in the chain 1 space, and the next stitch, number 2 into the chain 1 space, into the next stitch, number 3 into the chain 1 space, into the next stitch, number 4 into the chain 1 space, into the next stitch, number 5 in the chain 1 space, in the next stitch, repeat number 7 in the chain 1 space, in the next stitch, repeat number 8 in the chain 1 space, in the next stitch, number 9 in the chain 1 space, in the next stitch, number 10 in the chain 1 space, in the next stitch, number 11 in the chain 1 space, in the next stitch, number 12 in the chain 1 space, into the next stitch, number 13. Got the counting right this time, all double crochets in every stitch. Make a double crochet into the final 5 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Now we've arrived at the corner. Again, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet into the corner, chain 1 space. That's 1 double crochet, 2, 3, chain 1. Insert your hook into the chain 1 space again and make another 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, and number 3. And this is how it looks. Repeat this until you reach the final chain 1 space over here, where you can make 3 double crochets and the chain 1 to slip stitch into the top of chain 3. Don't forget this first stitch, scoop them over, yarn over, and then you'll see it's right here underneath the stitches. Don't forget that one. Don't want to miss it. And continue by making a double crochet into every stitch and also around every chain 1 space on the side, not the corners. There we go. All double crochets. In every stitch until we reach the corner. It's a nice and easy row, and almost done with the square. Just keep continuing making double crochets until you reach the end. In every chain one space and in every double crochet. Just continue until you reach the final chain one space. Almost at the corner. Final 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain one space of the corner, make the 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and again 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, 3. Only this final one left, so repeat as we did. Scoop the stitches over and make a double crochet into the first stitch, and then every stitch until you reach the final chain one space, 3 double crochet, chain 1, slip stitch into the top. And I'll see you for the next video.